Hello students, myself Kundan. I am Web Division Head of BeingArtifex at Skillathon 2022. I welcome all of you in this web development course. What is web development? Web development is the process of building a website. And what is website? Website is an online portal where you can access data and information remotely. We will move next. Why web development is necessary? Web development is necessary because um, websites are the products that is used by consumers like Flipkart and Amazon, which we use for the buying and selling goods. Facebook, which we use for social media. Next, learning objectives. What you will learn in this course is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap in great details. And after learning these all the things, you will be able to create a beautiful website. Learning outcomes. After completing this course, you will be able to make websites that looks beautiful and able to understand what is the backend and what is front end and able to implement some basic JavaScript stuffs and logics to your website. Course structure. Next, we will move to the course structure, and this is what our course structure is. HTML. Inside this HTML package, we will cover what is HTML, basic elements, semantic tags, structuring the website, forums in HTML. That this is the everything that you need in HTML. Inside the CSS, we will cover the CSS basic selectors and responsiveness website. Responsiveness of the website is the important thing to know. Media queries, which will help you to make the website responsive. Next, we will move to the Bootstrap, and Bootstrap is nothing but it is a CSS library which helps you to write CSS fast in different manners. Inside this, you will know what are the different components inside the Bootstrap and what is grid, how grids works in Bootstrap and forums in Bootstraps. Now, the last JavaScript. JavaScript, as we know, the basic and the last, we move to the JavaScript. JavaScript we call brain of a website, which handles all the logic parts. And it is the most crucial part. And inside, we will cover the basics concept and syntax of the JavaScript. What is the events in JavaScript and the DOM manipulation. DOM manipulation is the most useful that you will use every time. All the best.